Hello, future coders. Welcome back to TechBytes, where we make technology simple, fun, and bite sized. Before we dive into Python, let me introduce you to some special friends who will be learning along with you. They're just like every beginner, curious, playful, and sometimes a little mischievous. This is Byte, curious and energetic, always eager to learn something new. Ask lots of why and how questions.
Hey everyone, I'm Byte. I have so many questions about Python. If you're curious like me, we're going to have a great time.
Next, this is Bugsy, playful and troublesome, loves playing pranks and causing little bugs in the code, represents common beginner mistakes.
Hi, I'm Bugsy. I love making silly mistakes in the code. Let's see if you can spot them before Techie and syntax do.
Lastly, here comes a calm and confident syntax who's smart and wise, understands Python well and corrects mistakes, explains coding concepts clearly.
Oh, Bugsy, don't worry, I'll be here to fix your mess. I'm Syntax, and I'll help make sure everything makes sense.
And that's our team. Together, we will explore Python. Byte will ask questions, Bugsy will make some funny mistakes, and Syntax will help us understand everything the right way. Are you ready? Then grab your keyboard and let's get coding. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss episode 1. See you all very soon.